Hi, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this nice piece that we're going to paint white, but we're going to leave the inside its natural color. So it should be a pretty straightforward project, and let's begin. Alright, step one is going to be to remove the hardware and our hinges, take the doors off, then we're going to tape them. We're going to review the piece, make sure everything's nice and solid, sand anywhere that needs to be sanded down, and then we're going to start painting it white. So let's get some of this hardware off. Alright, up next, what we're going to do is we've already sanded this down, made it nice and smooth for us. We're going to just tape it off, since we're not going to do the inside of the doors or the actual piece here. So, just a bunch of tape. Let's begin. Alright, we have the door taped up, got the piece all taped up, we've got our flat brush and our white paint. So, let's begin starting to paint. Alright, here it is, completed, white, solid white. We left the inside the normal. Hopefully the clients like it. If you like this and many of our other projects, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and we're always looking for those thumbs up.